In this lecture, we are starting discussion on a graph theory. After completion of this unit, a student will be able to understand the types of graph, the degree of a graph, planar and non-planar graph, chromatic number of a graph, what is cycle graph, what is wheel graph, how to represent wheel graph, what is complete graph, how to draw complete graph of some given node, what is isomorphic graph, and what is connected graph, what is connected component of a graph. Prerequisite for this course is to complete this session you should have laptop or mobile. So we are starting a discussion on a graph theory. So suppose that we are asking the types of graph. So what is types of graph? There are three types of graph. First is simple graph, multigraph and pseudograph. So what is simple graph? Simple graph doesn't contain any loop. So if we are drawing a graph which doesn't contain any loop, then it is called a simple graph. So suppose that this is a graph of 4 nodes. So it is a simple graph. It doesn't contain any loop. So it is a simple graph. If we make any loop, then it is not a simple graph. Suppose that we are giving any loop. So on this node, we are writing a loop. So suppose that this is node A, B, C and D. So on B node, we are given one loop. So this is not a simple graph. Second is multigraph. So what is multigraph? For the multigraph, loop are not allowed and parallel edge are allowed. What is parallel edge? C to D is a path. If we are again making a path like that from C to D, so it is called a parallel edge. So this type of edge is allowed, but loop are not allowed in the multigraph. So this is multigraph. Pseudograph is a where parallel edge are allowed. You can make more than one. It is allowed and loop are also allowed. So this is called multigraph. Means parallel edge is allowed and loop are allowed. If you have any doubt, you follow the class notes. What is the vertex of a graph? Vertex means this is called vertex. Means node. Node is called vertex. And this is called edge. So vertex degree. So what is degree? So degree is a degree equal to number of connected node. So there are two types, that is for the connected graph, therefore that is for directed graph and for undirected graph. So this is a directed graph and this is a undirected graph. So here we are writing A. So for this node A, there are 3 connected nodes. So degree will be 3. Here there are 2 connected nodes and for the self loop 2. Self loop 2. So we are writing 4. This is connected with 3 nodes, so 3. This is connected with 2 nodes, so we are writing 2. So this is a degree of a graph. So we are written degree. For that in directed graph, this is for directed graph. So for directed graph, we are writing one is incoming, this is for incoming and this is for outgoing. And if there is a loop, then one incoming and one outgoing. So on that way you have to write. So the handshaking theorem states that sigma degree V of a graph equal to 2E. E is edge. So this is handshaking theorem. For the proof, you have to see in book. So this is a planar graph. What is planar graph? If there is no crossing. A graph where there is no edge are not crossed, then it is called planar graph. If edge are crossed, then this is not planar graph. So this is not planar, but the planar representation will be like that. So again, this is a planar graph. This is a planar graph, this is a planar graph, this is not a planar graph. What about K6? You think. Draw the K6 and think it is planar or not planar. Why K5 is not planar? Please discuss. Next is planar graph. There is a formula R equal to R is region, E minus V plus 2. E is edge, V is vertex plus 2. And average degree of a graph will be 2E by N. There is a Howell-Hakimi theorem will be discussed in the subsequent lecture, and the maximum number of edge in a simple graph will be NC2, n into n minus 1 by 2. That will be maximum number of edge in a graph. That is a Kuratowski theorem. So it states that a graph is planar. कोई भी graph planar तब होगा जब it should not contain K5 and K33. What is K5? It is a complete graph with 5 nodes. What is K33? It is a Kuratowski. It is a graph which has 3 nodes like that and 3 nodes like that. So all are connected. and same for this. So this is called K3. So a graph can be a planar should not contain K5 and K3. Chromatic number is a minimum number of color required to color the graph is called chromatic number of a graph. So for a complete graph, chromatic number will be n. So for K5, chromatic number will be 5. For K3, chromatic number will be 3. Cycle graph you draw like that. This is a cycle graph for C3. 3 that is 3 vertex or whatever edge will be same. So this is 3 node, that is C3. 3 edge C3. This is for C4, this is for C5, this is for C6. You draw for C7 to C12, C11. Draw with yourself and find the chromatic number. So the chromatic number for cycle graph, this is called cycle graph. So cycle graph का chromatic number कितना होगा? 2 होगा जब n even है, number of node even है, और number of node odd है तो 3 होगा. Suppose that यहाँ chromatic number 3 होगा. कैसे? Suppose that यहाँ हमने लिख दिया red, so यहाँ लिखेंगे green, तो यहाँ रेड और ग्रीन नहीं हो सकता इसलिए ब्लू लिखा, तो 3 हो गया. इसके लिए मैंने लिखा रेड, यहाँ ग्रीन, तो यहाँ रेड लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ ग्रीन लिख सकते हैं. सो क्रोमेटिक नंबर विल 2. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फाइंड द क्रोमेटिक नंबर ऑफ अ ग्राफ. Isomorphic graph. So what is condition? It must have same number of vertex का नंबर जो है सेम होना चाहिए दो ग्राफ में. एज भी सेम होना चाहिए. डिग्री ऑफ कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स विल बी सेम. मतलब यदि पहला ग्राफ में ग्राफ 1 एंड ग्राफ 2 तो इसमें 3 डिग्री का 2 वर्टेक्स है, तो इसमें भी 3 डिग्री का 2 वर्टेक्स होना चाहिए. सर्किट ऑफ एनी फिक्स लेंथ मस्ट बी सेम. मान लीजिए कि इसमें एक सर्किट 3 का है तो इसमें भी 3 का होना चाहिए. इसमें 1 है तो इसमें भी 1 होना चाहिए. This is a condition for a isomorphic of a graph. So suppose that we are giving one graph. So this is a circuit of 4 length. Here there is no circuit of 4 length, so this is not isomorphic. You have to check all the condition. But we see direct here one condition is failed. This is a isomorphic graph because you can check 1 degree का नोड कितना है इसमें. 1 डिग्री का 2 है. 2 डिग्री का कितना है? 2 डिग्री का नोड कितना है? 2 है तो 2 है. इसमें 1 डिग्री का नोड कितना है? 1 डिग्री का नोड 2 है. 2 डिग्री का नोड कितना है? 2 है. इसमें साइकिल का लेंथ क्या है? कोई साइकिल ही नहीं बन रहा है. इसको उठा के इधर कर देंगे तो साइकिल नहीं रहेगा. So both are isomorphic. So this is isomorphic graph. In this way you have to check. So connected component of a graph. So what is connected component of a graph? मान लीजिए कि हमने एक ग्राफ बनाया. So एक ग्राफ ऐसा हो गया, एक ग्राफ ऐसा हो गया और एक ग्राफ ऐसा है. तो एक ग्राफ के 3 कंपोनेंट है. ग्राफ के 3 कंपोनेंट है. इसको यदि हम ऐड कर देंगे तो ये 3 कनेक्टेड कंपोनेंट हो जाएंगे. 3 कंपोनेंट हो जाएंगे. So this is first component, this is second component, this is third component. For more detail, some detail will be given in the next video. That is a wheel graph. So suppose that we are drawing the C3. C3 को हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया. अब C3 को डिलीट कर देंगे और इसमें एक नोड बना देंगे मिडिल में और कनेक्ट कर. तो that will be W3. A wheel graph of 3. This is called 3, W3. Wheel graph W4. So this is called W4. This is W4. So you draw W5, W6 to W11. So do with yourself. If you have any question, you please follow the next video. All detail will be given in sub. This is just introduction for the graph theory, and I have covered all these things in class also. And do the homework, and there will be online test in the Google Classroom. So you have to join the Google Classroom and attempt test seriously. If you have any question, you can join the Google Classroom. You can take discussion, and there will be online test there. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you please ask to your faculty, to your friend.